Man, I'm really hungry today. I should probably get some cereal. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll be right back. Today is gonna be an episode. Yeah, I'm gonna go say at attention. Hey guys, Turkey with Shadow Freddy here, and today we're gonna teach you how to make cereal. So, first you did the cup. You always gotta have a cup. Just put it right here. All right, and the cereal. I don't like Oreo cereal. Is it up there? Where did it be? Sorry guys, I need to find cereal. Be right back. Guys, I just realized it's in the freaking it's on top of the fridge. I couldn't reach it, so I'm gonna go get this chair. Be right back. I know I didn't get the right chair, but yeah. So the freak. It's not even up here. Fine. Rather just. Oh! Ooh. My head hurts. Man. Put this shit. Okay, guys. Get the cereal. Fine. I know I didn't want the Oreo, but there was no more cornflakes. To the door. Yeah, let's go to the table. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow, that was epic. Okay, so first, you gotta, Leviosa. Pop. Wow, that was epic. Okay, now we just put the milk in here. I know, don't. I know I put the milk first, but look at my face. Just look at my face. Look how drippy I am. See, look, that's, yeah. What, the box is not open. Sorry guys, I need to open the box right now. Crap. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, I just opened the bag, Oreo bag, I don't know. Now I know I'm a retard, okay. I don't know why I put the cereal last. So, oh, I'm missing. Oh my god. Oh. Sorry. Oh. Okay, now that you're done with that, but yeah, get up to the kitchen. Ow. Get whatever spoon you want. But the little one to them. I'm only a plushie. Oh yeah. First, grab your first I'll grab the tap. Grab it. Close it. Pick it up. Open the fridge. Put the milk back. That's the, yep. Grab the cereal box. And then, crap. Put it up here. And that's all of it. So grab your spoon. Just put it inside there, boy. And there you go, delicious meal. Turkey with Shadow Freddy. Yay, Shadow Freddy. Bye guys, peace.